Prove that 4n C2n by 2n Cn equals to 1 into 3 into 5 into so on 4n minus 1 divided by 1 into 3 into 5 into so on 2n minus 1 whole square. First, let us take LHS. What is LHS? 4n C2n by 2n Cn. We know the formula NCR. What is the formula of NCR? N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So this is how the form NCR. So n factorial by n minus r factorial. So n is 4n, r is 2n. n minus r factorial into r factorial divided by NCR, n factorial by n minus r factorial 2n Cn, 2n minus n factorial into n factorial. That equals to 4n factorial by 4n minus 2n is 2n factorial. Here also one more 2n factorial is there, by 2n factorial by 2n minus n is n factorial into n factorial. See another formula, a by b by c by d. What is the formula a by b by c by d? A by b times of reciprocal of c by d is d by c. So this is also like that only, a by b c by d. So a by 4n factorial by 2n factorial into 2n factorial, 2n factorial whole square into see a by b by c by d, c by d reciprocal is d by c. What is d here? N factorial into n factorial. So n factorial whole square by 2n factorial. Okay. Now expansion of 4n factorial. The expansion of n factorial is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into so on. So 4n factorial is 4n into 4n minus 1, 4n minus 2, so on, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by denominator also 2n factorial. So 2n into 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, so on, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 square. Still numerator n factorial is there, denominator 2n factorial is there. So in the numerator n factorial whole square, denominator 2n factorial. Okay. Now separate even numbers and odd numbers. That means even terms and odd terms. So even term 4n is even term. Next even term is 4n minus 2. Next even term is 4n minus 4. So on 4 into 2. Odd terms 4n minus 1. Next 4n minus 3. So on 3 times of 1 by c. 2n here also separate even terms and odd terms. 2n, next even term is 2n minus 2, so on 4 into 2 square. Odd terms, so 2n minus 1, next odd term is 2n minus 3, so on 3, 1. Here also square. So square into n factorial whole square by 2n factorial. Now see, in the numerator everywhere n is 2 is the common term. So take 2 is the common, 1, 2, 3, so on. So take 2 is the common. So 2n. Here also 2 is the common. 2 common means 2n minus 1, so on. Take 2 is the common, 2, 1. How many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 2 n's. So 2 power 2n. 2 power 2n. Okay. Into 4n minus 1, 4n minus 3, so on 3 into 1 by denominator also take 2 is the common. Take 2 is the common. N. Take 2 is the common here. N minus 1, so on 2, 1. So how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on up to n. So 2 power n. Square is there, right square. Into 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, so on 3 into 1 square. Multiply with n factorial whole square by 2n factorial. Okay. See, 2 power 2n into 2n minus 1, so on 2 into 1 into 4n minus 1, right from last to first, 1 into 3 into 5, so on 4n minus 1 divided by a power m whole power n, 2 power n whole square is nothing but 2 power 2n. So write this term, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into so on. This term is n factorial square is there, write this square. Okay. Into 1, 3, 5, so on. So write 1 into 3 into 5 into so on 2n minus 1 whole square into n factorial whole square by 2n factorial. Okay. See, 1 into 2 into 3 into so on up to 2n. So this is the value 2n factorial. This is the value 2n factorial. Okay, now see 2 power 2n get cancelled. 2 power 2n get cancelled. So n factorial whole square cancel. 2n factorial cancel. Still what is the final term? So 1 into see the last term, 1 into, so 3 into 5 into so on 4n minus 1 by 1 into 3 into 5 into so on 2n minus 1 whole square, which equals to RHS.